Hi there everyone, this is me Vijayadash and welcome back to my YouTube channel Vijayadash.net. So how are you all? I'm keeping cool by the grace of Almighty and I hope you are doing great too. So today I'm here to discuss about a really important part of our life, and that is presentation and about public speaking. So now you may think that, oh my god, what a boring session it will be, but I can tell you that no, it's not gonna be a very boring session if you know about the importance of presentation and about public speaking. Because you know what, still there are many people in our country have no idea about presentations and about public speaking. I hope you will enjoy this entire video and you will be able to learn something at the end of this video, because today I'm gonna talk about presentation and about public speaking. So you know that I have several types of videos about presentations and about public speaking that can help you. If you need any kinds of help about presentation and about public speaking, you can obviously visit my those video about public speaking and about presentation. I have created this playlist, so you can obviously visit them. So today I'm gonna share some important informations about presentation. So at first, you know what, as a students or as a worker, you need to learn about presentation, because every time we are giving presentation at our home, at our workplace, at our school, so we are just giving presentation at every time, but still people can think that it is a presentation, like you are gonna read a book. This is also a presentation. You are going to do some shopping. This is also a kind of presentation. But people have no idea about giving presentation and about giving public speakings. So I hope you will not make yourself like those people and you will enjoy this entire video. So at first, you can tell me that what do you think about presentation and what do you think about public speaking. So I have no different types of opinion that you have about presentation. I also think that everything in our life is a presentation and everything in our life is a great public speaking. Like I told you before that you are in a discussion of your family, you are in your family discussion and your family are talking about like your budget or some other things that you have, your family is gonna buy a television, and that's why they are giving their opinion and they're discussing about this. So this is also a presentation, because now you are gonna share your opinion in front of your family members. So this is also a great presentation in your life. But people are not that much conscious about it. They think that I don't need to learn presentation, I don't need to be a great public speaker, or I don't need to be a great presenter. They're thinking about this. But if you want to build your life, if you want to build your career, you have to learn about presentation from your childhood, because when you learn anything from your childhood, it helps you a lot to memorize it, to grab it. And now it's time to go for another example, and that is, you know what, that we don't learn presentation and about public speaking from our school level, from our primary school level and from our high school level. We don't learn it from there. But when you get admission to a great college or to a great university, you need to learn about presentation and public speaking for that time. But it's too much late. You know what, that we have to learn everything from our childhood, because we have to create an environment of presentation and of public speaking from our childhood, and that's why you need to learn about it. And nowadays everything in our life is just incomplete about presentation. Without presentation, everything is just valueless. So you have to learn about it. Obviously you have to learn about it. Where you're not conscious about it, you have to be conscious about it, and you have to be very sincere to learn presentation and to grab the opportunities about presentation and about public speaking. So you know that I have already made some videos about why you need to be a great public speaker. I will give those videos at the end screen of this video, so you can obviously visit this kinds of video if you need to learn about presentations and about public speaking. And there is some other things also, that we know that there are three parts we have in a presentation, and in our life we also have these three parts, like intro, then that means the interaction about a presentation, then the body of our presentation, the body, this is the main part of our presentation, and then we have the extra of our presentation, that means the conclusion of our presentation. And those three parts is really important to grab a presentation, to make this presentation beautiful. So those three parts are really important and you have to know about it. So for example, if you think about the intro and the extra of a presentation, you just think about some videos that you find on several YouTube channels, that if you find a video that have a great intro, I mean a great interactions, so obviously we'll watch the entire video. And also me, if you think about me, if I go to some channels of some other YouTubers, if I find any intros of this video beautiful, so I will obviously watch that entire video. So it's also happened with a presentation and with a public speaking. So if you can start a presentation nicely and nicely, so people will be very attractive to watch your entire video, to watch your entire presentation. They will obviously watch it. So here you have to learn it, that how can you make a presentation beautiful and too much attractive. So here the interaction and the conclusion of a presentation is really important. You have to start your presentation nicely, and as well as you have to end your presentation nicely. So then people will be able to watch your entire video with a great passion. And now it's time to go for another example of body. You know that to create a climax, body is really important for a presentation. It is a body part is really important for a presentation, because without a great body, your presentation can be just very, very, very demotivated. So you have to create a great body of your presentation. And you know that body means the body language, voice modulation, and then what can I say, eye contact, and the stress crafting, and a great understanding with the audience, and some other things also can include it here with the body part of a presentation. And this is the place where you will be able to just play with your voice, with your audience, and this is the place when you can make your audience happy, everything as you wish. So this is a very important part of your presentation. So you have to just think about the intro, body, and the extra of your presentation. This is really important, and you have to really sincere about this presentation. Because if you think that no, it's not my time to make various types of presentation, it's not my time to involve myself with various types of presentation, so you're obviously too much wrong, because you have to learn it from your childhood. But I'm not that much child now, because I'm an 8th grader, but I think I should learn it when I was a 1st grader or 2nd grader, or obviously I learned it, but it's too much late to also happened with me. But I tell you that don't worry about it. If you can be really attentive, so nothing will be real too much hard for yourself. So you have to learn it, and you have to be very conscious about it whenever you are going to give a presentation. And some people also have various types of afraid about presentation. They think that no, it's not my cup of tea, I really can't do it, it's not possible for me. But you have to think that we are the best creation of God, so everything is possible for you. There's nothing in the world that is impossible for yourself. So everything is equally possible for you. So you have to learn about it from your childhood, and you don't need to be very afraid about it. You have to be really confident, because confidence is really important for a presentation. If you think that yes, I can do it, then you will be able to do it. But if you think that no, it's not my cup of tea, I really can't do it, it's not possible for me, so I can certify to you that it's not possible for you. So here, confidence, I mean self-confidence is really important for a presentation. You know that we have to be confident, but you don't need to be overconfident, but we have to create a confidence of our mind. So then you will be able to learn it. And as well as in all time, you have to create an environment at your home to give presentations and to give public speaking, or even share your opinions at different places of your school, at your family, everywhere you have to create an environment of giving public speakings and giving presentations, and then you will be able to improve your life skills, and then you will be able to improve your leadership skills. That is really important nowadays for the students, for the worker, for the professionals, everywhere. This is really important to grab it. See, here you have to learn it from your childhood, and you have to create an environment of giving public speaking, of giving presentation. So I'm recommending everyone to learn it from your childhood and to start your journey with making various types of presentation and various types of public speaking. So thank you so much for watching this entire video, and I want to see your video presentation on some different place of our social network, so that will be really great. So thank you so much for watching me, and thank you so much for letting you know. Thank you so much for watching this video with a great passion. See you around in the next video with a great topic. Thank you so much. Bye bye.